Thomas Mapfumo, Chigwaya. The instrument is called the mbira dzavadzimu. And Chigwaya is not really a Thomas Mapfumo song. I just say Thomas Mapfumo Chigwaya so that you watch the video. Otherwise, it's just a mbira standard. So that means something like Nemam Sasa as well is not a Chiwoniso song. It's just a mbira standard. Or, you know, when I'm saying Sungura is made up of 1415 or Chamtengure. Chamtengure is also a mbira standard. So standards are just a set of songs that most mbira players play. Just like jazz, it also has jazz standards. On to the playing now. So remember the home key, which is this one. That's where we're starting at. So it's like this. And the big brother. So it has 6 changes. When I say a change is something like this. 1. That's 1 change. When I say that's 2 changes. So let me count the changes. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how do you remember the notes? So remember 1, and then you go to the next note with its big brother, and then you repeat the next note but with its cousin now. And then you start again, second one, and then now you do these 2 that you skipped the first time. So those are cousins as well. So the whole thing is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy, right? Let's go to the right hand now. So it helps to know the melody of the words of the song. So for example, it goes like so you want to try to sing a similar thing with the right hand thumb. So it goes something like this. And then the tricky thing is the rhythm. So you have to take everything one step at a time. So it's like this. You start on the right hand like. So it's like right, left, and then together when you go to the bottom note. I hope it's making sense. And then after that, you just do that part alone on the right hand. Something like this. And then now you add the next part. And then now you add the next part. And next part. And as you can see, I'm just using these 4 notes to do everything. And I'm skipping this odd knot in the middle here. So now let's play the odd knot now. So it's like this. Odd. Odd. And then there are other parts even, like you can also so instead of there's also someone doing another higher part going like so it's something like this. Something like that. But I know it's difficult for you to get everything on one video here. So if you want more one-on-one lessons, you can just put it in the comments or send a direct message, and then we can organize WhatsApp lessons where I send you a bunch of step-by-step videos so that you can learn better that way.